Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got an absolute Christmas classic for you. This is John Lennon and his big hit from 1971. This is called Happy Christmas, War is Over. I'm sure you're going to love this one, and if you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me. It helps me grow the channel and helps me bring you more guitar based tutorials. So if you're ready and up for it, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Happy Christmas, War is Over. Let's show you how it's done. Right, let's show you how this is done. So first off, we're going to start off by saying I've got two ways of doing this. One, we're going to start off for you very at the beginning stages of guitar playing. So this is a simplified version. We're not going to do any of the to start with. I'll do that a little bit later after I've shown you this. So first off, we're going to start off with the strum pattern, which is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And we're going to do that a little bit quicker, so it's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So with that in mind then, let's move in to the chords we're going to be using. So we're going to be using A. Here we are, A major. Next chord is going to be a B minor, which of course I'm sure you know we don't play the 5th and 6th strings of a B minor. So there we are, open chord of B minor. Then we're going to be going to an E major chord and then to an A. Okay, so they're the first chords we're going to be using. So let me show you how we're going to do that. So we're going to go down, down, up, down, up. Then B minor. Then to E. Then to A. Then we're going to move to a D. E minor. Then to an A chord. Then finishing up in a D. Okay, so that is the first part of the song. Then there's, I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll go through that one more time. So here's the chords in sequence. So we've got A, then B minor, then E major, then A again, then we're going to drop down to a D, E minor now, then A major, and then D. Right, next bit is to a G major, here we go, then to an A, back to an E minor, then a G, then a D, E major, and that brings us back to the first section. So there's two sections to this. There's the section that starts off in A, and there's the section that is the key change up. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, that bit. It moves into a G chord. Okay, so let's show you one more time, and then I'm going to show you the bit with the more advanced bit that's actually going on the record. So going through the simplified version one more time. So we're going to start off in an A. 1, 2, 3. Then B minor. Then to E. Back to A. Then to D. E minor, then to A, then to D. That brings us to the end of the first section. We're going to the key change. Here's a G, then to an A, E minor, back to G, then to D, back to E major, and then we return back to section 1. Okay, so let's get on to the advanced version. So this is actually what's going on the record. This features the chords that we just went through, but it's got these embellishments that go over the top. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with our A. So we've got down, down, up, and then we're going to lift our finger off, which just leaves us with our first 2 fingers on the D string and the G string. So that's going to sound like. Okay, so we've got that bit so far. Then we're going to put our little finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Yeah, so it's going to go din da 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 dum da 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 dum da 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 da, and then back to an A again. So we got. Got it? So. One more time. Next chord was our B minor. We're going to go, starting off with a B minor, so it's down, down, up, down, up. What we're going to do next, we're going to switch from the B minor to bridging to moving our first finger up. So now that it bridges the E string and the B string in the 2nd fret, and we're going to lift our 2nd finger off, so we get this sound. So we got. Then we're going to lift our first finger up. So now that we're going to be only on the 2nd fret of the B string, which makes this E string play open. Okay, so we've got. And then returning back to a B minor chord again. One more time. So we got. And then we're going to go to an E major chord. Now this, I'm going to tell you, this out of all of these progressions is the hardest out of all of them. So we're going to go E major. Starts off with an E major chord, but it starts off with little finger down underneath our 3rd finger. So that's going to be on the 2nd fret of the G string. I'll bring that up to you so you can see. So we've got. So we've got them two. So we've got down, down, up, then lift it off, which gives us our E. Then we're going to reach, and we're going to put our little finger on the 4th fret of the D string. That's a big old stretch. Okay, so obviously that little finger overrides the 3rd finger. So if that comes out of position, that's completely fine. So we got. And then back to an E. One more time for ya. And then we're going to obviously go back to the A again. Oh, I've just showed you the A. Next one is D. So the easiest one. So we've got D. So down, down, up is a D chord. So, which is lifting the 2nd finger off, which makes our E string open. Then we're going to put our little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and then back to a D chord again. So all together. Okay, so that's that one for that one. I don't think there's one for the E minor. So we'll just go back to the, so that's all of them. That goes back to the A again. So all together then. Okay, and then we go. So there we have it. Happy Christmas, War is Over by John Lennon. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any song suggestions you may have for songs you'd like me to rip to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you liked today's video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar-based tutorials. And until we meet again, take great care of yourselves, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.